Basics of EEG. This presentation is based on the daily classes organized at Aarya Neuro Hospital, Biratnagar, Nepal. Introduction. EEG is the recording of the electrical activity of a large number of neurons in the brain, recorded with electrodes applied to the surface of the scalp. Similarly, brain waves are the waves that we get on EEG machines. These waves are recorded by placing two electrodes on the scalp and connecting them by a suitable amplifier to a cathode ray oscilloscope. EEG waves are recorded by using two methods, one of which is the bipolar method. In the bipolar method, the record of potential difference between two cortical electrodes is made. For example, frontal occipital, temporal, or parietal area. Another method is the unipolar method. In the unipolar method, the record of potential differences between the active cortical electrodes and different electrodes applied on other parts of the body distant from the cortex, such as an earlobe, are used. Features of brain waves depends on the intensity and frequency. Intensity depends on synchronization of millions of neurons. The synchronization of the neurons decrease with decrease in brain cortical activity. EEG activity recorded is of rhythmic discharging cell body in most superficial layer of cortical gray matter. The recording of EEG is due to graded potential, which are summated postsynaptic potentials in the brain. Potential changes on the brain surface is due to current flow in the fluctuating dipoles formed on the dendrites of the cortical cell bodies. Similarly, the evoked cortical potential is a recording of an electrical event that occurs in the cortex after stimulation of a sense organ. In this picture you can see the different types of brain waves. The types of brain waves are described on the basis of frequency of its amplitudes. You can remember them with the mnemonics D tab, where D stands for delta wave, which is less than 4 Hz. T stands for theta wave, and it is 4 to 7 Hz. A stands for alpha wave, it is the most common wave encountered in EEG, its frequency is between 8 to 13. And B stands for beta wave, and its frequency is between 14 to 30 Hz. Alpha waves are the prominent waves of parieto-occipital region. Its intensity is up to 50 volt. It is a rhythmical waves and are clearly appeared when the person is physically and mentally relaxed, awake, quiet, and resting with eyes closed. These waves are most intense at occipital region and so are more clearly visible on the occipital leads on EEG. For its formation, intact thalamocortical connection is also absolutely required. Beta waves are more prominent in frontal region and are appeared during awake, alert, consciousness thinking, and excitement. When brain in alpha wave directs its attention in specific direction. The alpha wave converts into high-frequency less voltage beta waves. This phenomenon is also called alpha block or alerting and arousal response. Theta waves are prominent in parietal and temporal region in children. In adult they are more common during emotional stress, frustration, degenerative brain disorder, dreams, sleep, and deep meditation. Delta waves frequency is 0.5 to 4 Hz. Its intensity is 2 to 4 times greater than the other waves. The delta waves are prominent in occipito-temporal region and are more prominent during very deep sleep, loss of awareness, infancy, and certain brain disorder. These waves are independent of activity in subcortical region of brain. If delta waves are found in awake state, it signifies organic brain damage. Gamma waves are 32 to 100 Hz waves. They are appeared during heightened perception, learning, problem-solving task, and cognitive processing.